Hi, how you going? I'm Dave, and we bought this a JAJ Greenhouse from Goods Direct to you in New Zealand. So anyway, we put a base down, and we put 8 piles in it, and we've got obviously a spirit level here to make sure it's level. And I'm just about to start making the doors. Right, we finished the doors now. Just got to make sure you're getting around the right way because they do have to go together. Right, we're on to the vents now, and we found it easier just to get the corner, slot them in. Then you can bring the other side up and they just slot in nice and easy. Just like that. Okay, so just screwing them in. Then just put the other end on. And then from here I'm going to do the base, which I've started. Right, so we've got the base together. It was a bit fiddly, but we've made sure the corners are really tight, so the original's to the side. As you can see, nice and even. And then we kind of cheated on the sides. We've actually put the frame together first. You've done that. So basically, they do say put extra bolts in. Done down here. So it's off the side to the bottom. And they will get used later on for the extra supports. Okay, well, as you can see, we got a bit carried away and we've actually done just about the whole back wall. Now, there's a little piece in here, JO2L, and there's a JO2R on the other side. They just clip in and they poke through here. Then just put the W2Ls on, and they're quite easy actually. And then you got the W2R on the other side. Just keep it loose. Don't tighten everything up. It will make it easier to put together. But yeah, so now we're going to get the front done. So it's pretty basic. You've got a left and a right panel here. Make sure you get the right one, because they are angled at the top. So I'm going to get those in soon, and back to you shortly. Yep. Okay, just doing the back wall and the top of it. There's the JO2 in there. So when you bring your top aluminium down, make sure it's got that little edge cut off. Just means it tidies it up. And then okay, so down the front, got these panels in. The easiest way was slide the panel in first, then bring the aluminium into it after that. Everything just fits in nice and tidy. And then made the frame, remade it for the top. Well, that will just slot in now for me. And hopefully, unfortunately, I'm running out of daylight at the moment, so I'll catch up with you tomorrow. The front's all finished now, and up in the top here, there's a little plastic piece that if you put that in, you can actually get everything centralized. And you'll see we've used tape to stop bolts flying down. And it just means you can just slide them up quickly and put them in. So, and we're just starting on all these, and you see tape again. Just holds the bolt, so when you put the brackets in up here, it's all handy. And yeah, so we'll see once we get this all together here, and then we'll show you the panels going in. Okay, so we're at the end of the build. It's gone pretty smoothly, all up. You need to read the instructions though. Make sure you read them carefully. Now on the corners here, we have bolted into the post, but we've also, because the wind here, we've put some supports on here as well. So put 2 of those either side. Now inside you'll see all the and we've also got a little fence just to help with wind. That's how much wind we get here. So anyway, we did a lot of research when we looked at buying a greenhouse, and we found these to be the best. So we do like to thank Goods Direct to you for selling us the J&J Greenhouse. Happy gardening.